Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. I feel like I'm doing a little show and tell. So today I have this large drop front tuck away shoebox from the Container Store, and it's so awesome. These are new, and it's one of their new products on the Everything Organizer line. What I love about it has this magnetic front drop, okay? So cool, that's new. You can also just push the front away if you want to keep your shoes more accessible, which is a really cool look. So if you're somebody who loves sneakers, loves shoes, I highly recommend to, one, do a thorough categorize of your shoes, figure out which ones you love, which ones are maybe a little bit beat up, need to get rid of, donate, or discard, maybe sell. And let's just work on displaying the ones you love. So get yourself some of these really amazing boxes. They're gonna look great displayed in your closet, in your mudroom, maybe on top of a shelf, with your very best sneakers in there. And you're gonna just feel so happy every day you go and get ready to put them on. So that's my tip this week. Let's work on those sneakers. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you next week for Just the Tip.